To install the architecture toolset, first, log into your account on the manage.autodesk.com website. On the home page, in the navigation panel, select All Products and Services. This displays the Autodesk products and services available for you to install. Locate the tile for AutoCAD Architecture. Here, use the drop-downs to select the appropriate release version, platform, and language for download. You have several options to install the toolset. You can install the application now, or if you expand the Install menu, you can either download the file to install the application later, or create a custom install. Use the Custom Install option if you have specific installation settings in mind, or to set up custom deployments to multiple computers. In this case, click Install to install now. Optionally, review the license agreement terms. Then, to accept the terms, click Accept. In the Save As dialog box, choose a location for the file and click Save. The initial download completes quickly. Next, click on the downloaded installation file, or select the downloaded file from your recent downloads history. The User Account Control dialog asks if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. The Installer dialog opens and shows that the application is preparing for install. This may take several minutes. When preparation is complete, click Next. Choose where you want to install the file, by using the default location or by selecting a location of your choice. Click Install. The installation may take several minutes. Note that you can start the program while installation is finalizing. However, it is recommended that you wait until installation is complete. Once the installation finalizes, click Start. Alternatively, you can use the desktop icon to start the application. Now, you are ready to begin exploring and using the features of the architecture toolset.